Hi, dear. You tired of constantly seeing that low battery warning on your device? Well, today I've got some great tips for you on how to save battery on your smartphone. Stick around to learn some simple yet effective ways to make your phone's battery last longer. 1. Turn off background apps. Many apps continue to run in the background even when you're not using them, draining your battery. Make sure to close all unnecessary apps to save power. 2. Disable location services. Location tracking can consume a lot of battery power. Turn off location services for apps that don't require it to conserve energy. 3. Use Wi-Fi instead of data. Switching to Wi-Fi whenever possible can help save your phone's battery as it consumes less power compared to using mobile data. 4. Activate low power mode. Most smartphones come with a low power mode feature that helps conserve battery by reducing background activity and performance. Make sure to turn it on when your battery is running low. 5. Update your apps. Developers often release updates that improve app efficiency, including battery optimization. Make sure to regularly update your apps to benefit from these improvements. Remember, a little adjustment can go a long way in saving your phone's battery. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your own battery-saving tips.